Hi, Giddy Way lovers. Welcome again to another episode of Train with Giddy. So, guys, I posted a video and I asked if you guys want a tutorial on that. And you said yes. It's a turban video, and I know most of you have not seen the tutorial. So, guys, what I'm going to say, you can use a length 60 to tie it, a length 75. Length 90 might be too long, but you can still use it. You get so this is a length 64 layer. So all I'm doing now is sharing 50-50. You see, I'm going to share it 50-50. So guys, if you are watching for the first time, you're welcome. There are a lot of video you can learn from. We should just go to my video and check. There are a lot to learn from. There are a lot of style. And please always share when you watch. Always share. So guys, I'm sharing 50-50 now. Anywhere I take it from the middle is going to be equal. So I'm taking it from here to open. I'm going to pleat. Now see, me making a pleat, 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 pleat. I'm going to leave little. I'm going to leave little. So see, place it from the back. Placing it from the back. Hello, see? Place it from the back. Yes. Now that I've done that, all I need to do now, so guys, all I need to do now, I'll arrange one side, okay? I'll arrange one side, arrange one side. Please, when you're tying for a client, always take off the earring. I don't know why I'm being lazy to do that, but please, when you are tying, take off the earring. Please and please and please. Okay, we'll go on. I see we'll go on. Now I have made my plate. So she will help me hold it. You see, I've adjusted the pleat this way. I just made it. Then I adjust the pleat this way. Okay, I've done this side. I've done this side. So I'm gonna do this side now. Okay. Look at, like I said, I'm just being lazy to so you arrange this side also. Make sure you arrange it neatly. It should be neat and fine. Okay, so guys, see. We'll arrange it to arrange it. Now, as we have arranged it, now notice what say it's gonna be V. I have arranged this to this side, I've arranged this to this side. What she will do for me, she will hold there and hold there too. So please look at what I'm gonna do. Drag it first for it to be firm. Then I'm gonna twist it inside. This one that is on top, I'll twist it the other way. Now that I have twisted, she will hold this for me, please. Hold this. Now, guys, watch what we are going to do. See, you see here now. You see here now. We're talking this inside. Hello, open. Anafa. So you tuck this inside. Tuck this inside. Tuck it inside. You see, we're shocking it inside now. Yeah. So that's how we get this. Now you do it in a way it should be neat. You get it should be very neat. Now, how do I do this other side? This side now. Look at what happened. I did it. Now see this side now. This one, I will just drag this one down and quickly pin it. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll start arranging pleats. I'll start making pleats. Now I'll start making pleats. Start making nice. I'll make 3 pleats. I'll make 3 pleats, guys. Watch. I'm gonna make 3 pleats. She will help me to hold here and also hold here. So we're gonna go to the back now. Go to the back. So you see, you drag, you drag. Once you drag those plates you made, if you cannot pin the two, you pin at least two. The pin will go in and make sure it comes out. Most times I have trust issue, that's why I normally pin twice. You get, so we pin here. All right guys, so we pin there now, so we'll go back to arrange. So all I need to do is just keep pleating, keep I'll just keep pleating, pleating, pleating. Get, so make sure it's nice enough and it's okay. Can add to it if I want to. So you see, so once we get here, you know how we always do it. This one, I will use it to wrap it. So I can actually just wrap it here and pin. Just wrap it here and try to pin it very nice. I just pin it very nice. So what we do now, look for a way and we cover the back. You just look for this now, we'll cover the back. Just find way I will cover the back. So you see, we cover the back and we also pin. So that we will come to the front now. This is how the front is. Anywhere you think is not properly pinned, you pin it well. You can see this was showing now. I want to pin it. This is a turban style. Okay, so guys, you see, what do you think about this turban? Slate the giddy way. So guys, this is what you can slate for your clients, just your natal clients, your bride. Some people love turban because it's like the trend now, and this is one of the way of tying it. So let's go there, practice and send. Let's see.